These are my favorite mechanical keyboards of 2022, and more info in the description. So the MODE 65 was one of my favorites because it was my first very high-end custom mechanical keyboard, and it has a slew of different parts and mounting styles that give different sound and type and feel, which was really fun for me to experiment with. The Frog Mini is also my other most favorite board of the year. It sounds clean without really any type of foam, kind of because of the brass weight, and any switches or keycaps used really just sound pretty dang good on it. And the typing feel is very consistent. Happy New Year's, and thank you all for a fantastic keyboard filled 2022, and I wish you all a happy typing experience in 2023.